Guess the animal name, Farm Animals Edition. How to play. Read the clues carefully, guess the farm animal, and try your best. It likes to eat grass. Good job! You got it right. It's a cow.
It's a cow.
It has feathers. You got it correct again. It's a hen. This animal likes to eat grass. Wow, you got it another star. It's a sheep.
My sheep.
It has feathers. One more again. Good job. It's a dog.
Dog.
It runs very fast. Whoa, good job. You got a horse. It's bigger than a chicken. Yes, correct. It is a turkey. Good job. Here's a star for everyone.